Here it is, the healthiest peanut butter jelly you're ever gonna have. Oh man, this tastes so good. Let's make it. First, we're gonna start off with low calorie bread. Right here, this is keto bread at only 30 calories per slice. Next, we have powdered peanut butter. Right here, we have a big old tub of PBfit. Coming up next, we have First Form's Opti-Reds 50. This is packed with a bunch of vitamins and minerals. It's a low-calorie red superfood powder. Get your bowl, turn your scale on. Now right here, we're gonna put 16 grams or 2 tablespoons of powdered peanut butter. Just keep adding powdered peanut butter into your bowl until you hit 16 grams. Now the benefit of using powdered peanut butter instead of regular peanut butter is we're gonna reduce a whole lot of calories. Powdered peanut butter removes all the oil from regular peanut butter, mix it into a powder, and here you go, less calories. I like to just add a little bit of water at a time, maybe about a teaspoon at a time. Mix it up until you reach the right consistency that you like. Be careful you don't add too much water because then it's gonna be too runny. Your sandwich together, your butter's gonna end up running all out the edges and you don't wanna make a mess of this. Just keep mixing until you have no more dry spots in the bottom of your bowl. That's why I like mixing with a spatula, to make sure you get everything mixed up right. And you can also get everything out of the bowl and onto your bread. Everything looks mixed up pretty nice here. I'm liking this creamy consistency. I think this thing is ready to spread on the bread, baby. Let me know in the comments, if this was regular peanut butter, would you prefer creamy or chunky? Now with our rubber spatula, we're just gonna start spreading onto this bread, making sure you get a nice even thickness, getting it all the way edge to edge. Now right here you can see the benefit of using a rubber spatula because you can get absolutely everything out of the bowl. And if you're already paying for the macros and the calories, you might as well eat it all. Spreads nice and evenly. Make sure you get an even coating, even thickness all the way around. Just like that. I'm gonna use the same bowl because who wants more dishes? Next up is the Opti-Reds 50. Now we're gonna just use 2 scoops. We're gonna use the scooper that came in the package. Boom, there we go. The same deal here with the powdered peanut butter, adding just a little bit of water at a time. Give it a good mix, and then add more water as needed. Now Opti-Reds 50 is where you're gonna benefit the most out of this healthy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's a powdered mix of 50 colorful fruits and veggies that help improve your metabolism and give you a boost of natural energy levels. You can see it mixes easily with water. Same thing, use the rubber spatula to mix it well, making sure to scrape all the edges along the way. Another benefit of Opti-Reds 50 is that it's full of antioxidants that you could be missing if you're not eating a wide variety of exotic fruits and vegetables every single day. So I make sure I get Opti-Reds 50 inside of my diet every single day, either by this peanut butter and jelly sandwich or just simply mixing it with a glass of water. Now, if you want your sandwich to be super sweet, you could go ahead and add in some liquid stevia or another powdered sugar substitute. And if you add a powdered sugar substitute, just make sure you add a little bit more water so it's not so thick and pasty. And if your macros have room for it, you could even add some honey or some agave nectar. Same thing, we're going to use a spatula to scrape up all that red superfood goodness. We're going to spread it edge to edge, making sure we get proper thickness throughout the whole slice. Go ahead and take this time right now to tap the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. That way I'll know that you want to see more videos like this that create healthy alternatives to the foods that you love. Once we got it spread edge to edge, there's only one thing left to do, and marry these two pieces together. Get a good look. We got proper spreading throughout all the edges, so every bite you're gonna get is gonna be full of flavor and healthy goodness. I'm gonna cut it in half and give you a nice view of this cross section. Ooh, look at that. Nice and thick. Opti-Reds 50 and powdered peanut butter.